welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are going to be customizing this wig for this wig review. This is the Dashley wig by Sensationnel. So it's going to be the Lace Unit 8, but this is Money Piece Hazel, the color. So there's so many good benefits to this hair. It has a deep center part. Pricing, details, all gonna be down below, so don't worry. Yeah, let's just get into it because this wig waits for no one, okay? And we slayed it today. I'm gonna show you how to slay your wig, period, okay? I'm never in my bonnet. Never in my bonnet. So okay, I already cut off the lace. Really, there's not a lot to do with this wig. So you can see this is really deep parting space. It's really pre-plucked up top. So my hand is here. So you can tell like there's a lot of parting space for this wig. The only thing that I'm not really so much happy with is the frontal is not pre-plucked, and I feel like if it would have been pre-plucked, this wig would have been like a 10 out of 10 without even having to do any like customizing or anything. From now on, like I feel like I just have to customize it with you guys like on camera, because then you can see the things that I see, you know. I just want to say I'm not happy with the frontal space, but this wig is bomb, y'all, like bomb. So it does have 2 combs up top. It has another comb in the back. It also has adjustable straps, and it's looking pretty good. Like, I'm actually really excited about this wig, and I'm really excited about this color, honey. So I do have a stocking cap, but this honestly is really just to protect my hair. Things that I like to do now when it comes to the lace. So I'm gonna flip it on the inside. You're gonna need either a bronzer, foundation, liquid foundation, anything. I think powder is best just because that's what really helps me. So I have a couple different bronzers because I like to make my skin a lot darker when I put on my makeup. I mean, not look darker, but you know, I like to contour and stuff like that up top, so I need to make my lace match that. I have like a fluffier brush. You can use something more compact, but the fluffier it is, the easier it is to disperse all the product, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go in with, this looks very not brown. There you go. So I'm just gonna go in with this at first. This is just a bronzer that I have. So I'm just gonna apply that to the inside of the lace. You really only have to do the parting space because that's all that's really gonna show. So you're just gonna put that on the inside, and it's really gonna help our lace look very natural. So what you want to do is you also want to get close to that hairline because you still have some lace left because pieces of hair are attached to it. So you just want to kind of get that as well. I also have a darker bronzer that I'm going to use on the edges when we're done. So this is what it looks like now. And I noticed that the parting space has a few hairs. I'm going to straighten out that part with some tweezers. You can even do this like on your head as well, but I'm just doing it like this because it's easier for me to see sometimes. I'm gonna show you guys all the hair that I'm pulling as well. It's not a lot, but you definitely want your parting space to look natural in the front. But I'm literally just putting this on just to protect my hair underneath because I'm actually going out. But my hair was already sleek, so I just let it do what it do. I've been using my Got To Be spray. Usually most people do this with their actual like human hair wigs, but I was just like, my wigs are synthetic, like who cares? But I could have easily been doing this, like for real. Like for real, for a longer application. So say I am doing something like all day, my wig will stay on all day. I mean, it usually does, but that's besides the point. I just want super protection today. What I'm going to do is just spray my forehead. Just gonna let that dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna do like a second coat. And I like took the elastic straps out, like the adjustable straps, because my head It's so damn big, okay? So what I like to do is literally just put the wig on the stickiness of the part that we just did. I'm just gonna make sure that the back is like very secure. And now I'm going to insert the combs. Place it as close to my hairline as I possibly can, because I want it to still look natural to my skin. It feels very, very secure. And then I'm also gonna place the other comb as well. This is what it looks like, and you can still kind of see that big old patch. I don't know, maybe it was just my wig that did it, or maybe it's like everybody else's. So the sides feel very secure, but the lace up here, I'm gonna actually lay down with my bold hold glue. You just have to use something that is very extreme holding, because this will not come off. Oh my God, I look like an alien. This will not come off throughout the whole day. Like, you'll have great coverage and security. And this is my Bold Hold Extreme Cream. There's so many different ones out there, but I've had this forever and it's literally been my best friend. I'm only gonna be doing this front part when it comes to the Bold Hold, because that's what I really need to stay all day. And I'm gonna be doing a few layers. And the way that you use this is you just take a little bit and you just apply it underneath your lace, or where you want your lace to hold. And I'm really gonna let that dry very clear, because that's the most important part. So just give me a moment while this really just dries. And it takes maybe like 3 to 5 minutes to fully dry. And you don't want to like create more layers when it's not dry. And what I'm doing is just kind of spreading that around, just so that it can really, really stick. And then, yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Wow, this looks really, really scary. So what we're going to do is pull our wig back on top of all that goodness, and right on top of all that that clear gel. So what you want to do is take a rat tail, and it really like molds to really mold it to your scalp. I'm going to use my bandana, because I mean, it really doesn't matter like what you use, but I'm just gonna tie this as tight as I can to my scalp right now. So we're just gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna start customizing. Let's take this bad boy down. Oh, we is laying. So what we are going to do is really just get this looking the way that we want it. It kind of looks scalp-like, but we're just gonna fix it up. I really like my Glossier tint. I use it for my skin, of course, but I like to use it for my hair as well. So I'm just gonna apply that into the part. And we're just gonna put that all over. We're just gonna lay some baby hair. And I like to use styling foams. You can use edge controls. I just feel like this leaves less like grease on you. You can customize baby hair to look any way that you want, honestly. Like, it really doesn't matter as long as it looks natural to you. Now we're gonna cut. It doesn't matter what you cut it with, as long as you can cut it. So I have these little ass scissors. And I do like my baby hairs to be a little bit shorter, but enough to like curve. So I'm just gonna cut and just angle them off. I'm gonna take my little styling foam, and this is the Motions. I like to use this because it leaves less grease. You feel me? Less grease all over your head. Sometimes I feel like edges are like hit or miss when it comes to fake hair. So my edges is looking a little cute, a little something. I don't like super big edges, so like these are baby as hell. So one edge is done. It's super simple, super easy to do, made it look a lot more natural. All right, look at this. So I feel fly today, honey. But this is what the wig looks like. And I am like in love. It's like a blonde, copperish, strawberry blonde. Like I'm just feeling it. I really just wanted to come on here and show y'all the wig, the final look. Like, how y'all feeling? Y'all like it? How are y'all feeling? Because I'm feeling good, not gonna lie. Like, I would totally get this wig in a bunch of different colors, honestly. Like, it wasn't that hard to customize, so I was just like, let me just do it. Let me just fix it up a little bit. Super cute. So honestly, like, my final thoughts on the wig are just that you will have to kind of customize the part a little bit. Every wig is going to be different, so you definitely want to get that part nice and straight. And then honestly, from there on, like, you don't have to customize baby hair at all. You can literally just lay them hoes down and you'll be set to go. Honestly, like, this wig is just giving me life. Details will be in the description on pricing, color, how it feels, tangling, shedding. You guys will know everything. I am in love with this wig. I'm in love with the color. It's giving me like Beyonce vibes. If you like the way this structure is, let me know, because I'm changing it up when it comes to my reviews, and I don't know what you guys want to see more of. So like, is it more of the customizing that you guys would want to see? Is it more of the details that you guys want to know? Like, just let me know. I don't know what I want to do. But yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos.